Dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you on how to use an egg white mask to tighten the skin or to make it firm. The egg white mask has got many benefits. One is it makes the skin tight. It makes the skin tight and firm, and also it reduces acne, since it destroys acne causing bacteria, and also it brightens the skin more, especially if you mix it with lemon. But as for me, I'm not gonna mix anything, since I only want to tighten my skin. I want my face skin to be firm. That's why I'm only going to use the white skin alone without mixing anything. So I'll just whisk one egg white into a bowl. I'll remove that yellow one and use only the white one, and then so when you're done separating the egg white from the egg yolk, mix it properly. When you're done mixing, apply a thin layer to your skin or to your face. You must avoid the eye area and the mouth, and then leave it for 10 to 20 minutes until it's dry. When it's dry, you must wash it thoroughly with warm water, and this should be done for at least 1 to 3 times per week for better results. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please, if you find this helpful, help me to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you, and see you next time in the next